Red team loaded up with 2 more mobile units for each and trying to pick up their cones and stacking them on top. Blue team trying to get to their mobile goals. Red team stacking up, they got several on top. Red team and blue team are at a dead heat right now, though red team did win the autonomous, which means they're going to get an extra 10 points. Red team is just about ready to stack up their large tower here. That's going to be worth 2, 4, 6, 8, 18 points in that section, which it is. 18 points in that section.
All right, hurry up. The last one.
Red team's going to put down another 20 points as well. Right now, red is in a commanding lead. We should not think that is out of the ordinary. That sound means we have 30 seconds left for blue team to score as many points as possible. Red trying to drop a yellow cone on top of their tower, not quite being successful.
Come on, 10 seconds left. Deliver it.
Red team definitely trying to stack and not going to be able to get rid of it, or are they? Yes, they are. With 1 second remaining and their final 6 points, pretty easy win for the red team.